Hi, I'm Di. Thanks for joining me. Have you ever been in the situation where you want to cook a dessert and you seem to get in a rut and you're cooking the same old things? You want a new recipe, but you don't want it too complicated. Got the answer today. So today I'm going to cook something which we call Peach Kuchen. Now, I don't know if there are other variations of this recipe out there. I know this has been modified as we've been using this recipe, so it might be a little bit different if you are familiar with Peach Kuchen. But it's a lovely base with peaches and then a custard topping. Very easy to make, doesn't take long at all. So come with me. First we'll look at the ingredients and then we'll go through making it step by step. And if you think you like it, then you'll easily be able to do it yourself. Here are the ingredients that we're going to be using. We're going to be using sour cream, peaches of course, margarine, there's 160 grams of margarine there. Going to be using eggs, flour. I'm using gluten-free because someone who's going to be eating this is gluten intolerant. So you can use ordinary flour. Make it self-raising though. We are going to be using some coconut. And I didn't get it out, but we're also using caster sugar. I've already put the oven on to preheat, and I've put it on 160 degrees Celsius. So that would be, and it's a fan forced oven, so that would be 350 Fahrenheit. So I'm just greasing an oven-proof dish there. Just measure out my flour. So there we are, that's 2.5 cups of flour. 160 grams of margarine, half a cup of caster sugar, and one cup of coconut. Now we're going to rub that margarine through the mixture. We're just rubbing that through until it resembles breadcrumbs. Now I normally do make this in a bigger container, but my container's being used for something else, a bigger Pyrex dish. So I think that I've got too much base there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just use what I need, and then I can put the rest of it in the freezer. Yeah, I'm only going to be using half of that, and I can make another one another day. So we just firm that down. So I'll put that in my bowl there, and I'm just firming that down. So I only used half that mixture. Yeah, I'm only going to use half of everything, I think. Okay, that'll go in the oven. While that's in the oven, we'll drain our peaches and then we'll make our custard mixture. I've actually decided to make two. This one's going to be smaller, so I don't quite need the whole mixture. Again, we're just pushing that down and just going to pop that in the oven. Now for the custard filling, we're going to be using 6 eggs. And we're just going to whip those. Just until they're all thoroughly mixed. Next, we're going to add our sour cream. This is 400 ml of sour cream, so we're using 2 of these. Oops, that came out lovely. So we're just mixing that through. Right, once that's thoroughly mixed, we add 1 cup of caster sugar. And we mix that. So we'll set that aside until the base is cooked, and then we'll come back once that's been done. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, and you want to make sure that you don't miss any of my future videos, what you need to do is like, give it a good thumbs up, subscribe, and ding, ding, ding on the notification bell. And that way, every time I load a new video up, you'll get a notification. Right, so we cook it in the oven until the base goes brown. So it's just lightly brown there, but it's browning off a lot around the edges, so I've got it out. So we've got the 2, I don't know if you can see, we've got another one over there. So I am working on the 2, but just focusing on this one here. Right, the next thing we need to do is to put our drained peaches on top. There we go. We just spread those nice and evenly over. And then we top that with our custard. Once we've done that, we sprinkle it with cinnamon. love the smell of cinnamon. It's just beautiful. So there we are. Now we put that in the oven. We put it in again into a moderate oven. We wait until it goes golden brown on top and it's firm. It feels firm. It will always feel a bit squishy when you touch it, but then I turn the oven off. I leave it sitting in the oven until it cools, and then that continues the cooking process very slowly without burning it anymore. And then you can serve it warm or you can serve it cold. I prefer it cold, but it is nice either way. Okay, we'll bring you back when we're finished cooking that.